Why I invest in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. In this video, you are going to know about the history of the money and simple explanation about cryptocurrency and why I invest in cryptocurrency and which platform I invest in cryptocurrency. And last, what is the pros and cons of cryptocurrency?
Alright, way back 200 BC, our ancestors usually do barter system, wherein they bring actual products in exchange to the goods they need to.
Simply said that barter is a trade system from one product to another product.
Then, after the barter system, the gold and silver are introduced in the market as a medium of exchange. Then finally, paper bills were first used by the Chinese, who started carrying folding money during the Tang Dynasty. That was about 780, and the rest are history.
Alright, let's dive into the most common question. What is BTC or Bitcoin? What is crypto or cryptocurrency? What is decentralization? What is blockchain? It's a lot of what? Anyway, BTC or Bitcoin is a type of digital currency without physical existence. Unlike our fiat currency that we are currently using now, we can feel, we can touch, and physically, hold it like that. And one more thing to add on, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it's not run by the bank, government, or any private entity at all, but in the form of blockchain. What the heck is blockchain? So another terms to explain.
A blockchain is a type of database, meaning it's a collection of information that is stored electronically on a computer system. And then, in a form of cryptography, these methods is protecting information through encryption of codes.
That's why all the blockchain transaction cannot be edited or tampered. Once the codes is already in the system, it's gonna be forever. That's how fintech or financial technology evolve right now. Alright, let's proceed now why invest in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Point number one is this is a new stage of money evolution. Imagine from barter system, gold and silver, and fiat currency, and now digital currency. Honestly, I've been skeptical before about Bitcoin, but now I cannot ignore it. Imagine Elon Musk, the genius inventor of Tesla, is currently investing in Bitcoin now. I believe he can see the potential of this financial technology. He is currently holding $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. So it's about 1% of his total net worth. Point number two, Bitcoin is not related to any economy of a certain country compared to US, which is US dollar, and in Philippines to peso, and India to rupees, and so on and so
So
on.
meaning Bitcoin have its own unique identity.
Point number three, you can transfer Bitcoin without any bank approval at all. It's just so easy to transact, especially if you are on the right platform. For me, I personally use eToro platform. It's really friendly user. Actually, I have a video about how to open eToro account. I will going to put the link in the description below. So just check it out and see what are the procedures to open eToro account. And also eToro account, you can do copy trading, crypto, stocks, and everything there. So just check it out. Point number four, it's not run by the government or any central bank. Short, there's no politics involved, no other things. That's only by Bitcoin itself. Now, the last and the most powerful point to remember, point number five, Bitcoin have the highest potential of return compared to other investment.
Alright, way back 2010, the price of Bitcoin was $0.08. Example, you bought worth of $1,000. Let's divide it by 0.08. So you have 12,500 BTC. As of today, Bitcoin price is 43,624. So then 12,500 of Bitcoin multiplied by 43,624. Wow, let's see the result. You have 545,300,000 dollars. Alright, pros number one is cryptocurrency is transparent. There's an open ledger with regards to Bitcoin transaction called blockchain, where all transaction is stored in the computer, which I already mentioned a while ago. Blockchain.com is the website I usually check if I want to verify transaction. Just paste the Bitcoin wallet address and all the transaction can be traced in a single click anytime and anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection. Pros number 2, low inflation risk. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency have a finite number of supply. There's a program that only 21 million Bitcoin can be mined in total. Once the miners unlock this number, no more Bitcoin to be mined or produced. Pros number 3, low fees transactions. The transaction fee are very low because no third parties involved. Compared to credit card, Bitcoin users can save between 0.5 to 5% per transaction. Pros number 4, speed and accessibility. It only takes minutes to transfer transaction. You can do it anytime 24/7 at your own convenience. Pros number 5, decentralization and self-management. This means that there is no central control authority in the network and also implies a peer-to-peer procedure. No institution to determine rules for cryptocurrency owners, either flow and value compared to fiat currencies wherein controlled by the government. Cons number 1, strong volatility, meaning value can change rapidly and unpredictable. You might lose your money easily, especially if you're emotional investor. Cons number 2, regulations issue. Cryptocurrency combines strong encryption and decentralization. This makes it hard for the government to track down users, so then it can be used for money laundering by the criminals. Cons number 3, most people don't understand cryptocurrency. Digital currency are not widely known as they used to be. That's why people did not trust about cryptocurrency. Cons number 4, cryptocurrency cannot be recovered in case of loss. If your Bitcoin got hacked, you cannot recover it anymore. Compared to fiat currency, banks is taken care of in case you have problem in your account. To end this video, learn before you earn. Never invest in something you don't understand. Please check in the description about the disclaimer of this video. And see you in the next one.